Hi everyone, my name's Jackson and I'm one of the physiotherapists here at BJC Health. So as a physiotherapist, exercise is one of our many tools that we can use to try and help people to feel better, move better, and in the end, try and guide them through their injury rehabilitation. So with regards to exercise, this can often consist of a bit of strength training as well. However, we totally understand that not everyone at home has access to something like a home gym, consisting of kettlebells, dumbbells, any sort of weights, barbells, or even any sort of resistance bands. So I'm going to give you a few different options that you can use as weights, as substitutes in your home to help make you feel better and get you exercising. Now for those of you who don't have anything like a weight at home, you can use substitutes like milk cartons at home. So try and be creative, try and see if you have anything like a drink bottle, bricks, something that you can hold onto that has a bit of weight to it, and this can be a substitute and replacement for your weights. Now, for some of you, this might not even be enough, but for those of you that do find this quite challenging, this is what you should be exercising with. So to progress, you can add these and put them all into your backpack. Now, put the backpack, put it on, and this can be a bit of an extra challenge for you, where you can put as many things into your backpack as you find challenging, being able to exercise more efficiently. Now for those of you who have children or even a baby, that can even be your added weight to try and hold them and do these exercises as well. Now if you're not sure about what sort of weights you need to be using or how often you should be doing these exercises, how many sets, how many repetitions, this is something that you need to consult with your healthcare professional, whether it be a physiotherapist or an exercise physiologist. Unfortunately, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, as everyone has their own goals, strengths, weaknesses that they need to work on. So please check with your healthcare professional if you're not sure, and they'll be able to devise a program that's safe and tailored towards you. Now, if you have any general comments, questions, please pop them in the comments box below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.